Now, Myra, tell me a little bit about what you think a vision board, what does it mean to you?
So a vision board should have what your dreams and goals are, because your business plan is how you get to it. So right now you visualize how you want your life to be in the next year, 5 years, 10 years, etc. So for me right now, this vision board is within the next year. So last year I did my vision board and I actually had the card that I was right in the middle of my vision board. That's what I got. I got my card that I wanted. So that's, yeah. So my next is homes. That's why I'm looking at houses now.
Tell me a little bit about what you cut out so far and why did you choose it?
Okay, so first and foremost, I like to theme each year. And this year is going to be the year of clarity, my Ali year. He's the greatest of all time. He's a fighter. He's fighting for all his dreams and all his community. That's what I'm looking to do with this. This year, I plan on being a lot cleaner because I'm making a lot more money. But I'm going to have me a tailor who's going to tailor a lot of my suits versus me buying them off the rack. Or if I buy them off the rack, at least get them to fit towards me. All right? I want to improve my love story, right? My family, my wife, all of those things. And that's so far, that's what I got. Still working on it, baby.
Well, let me ask you this. Out of the ones that you've chosen so far, which one excites you the most?
To be honest, just this one right here.
Get in shape and dress like this guy.
Yep.
Yeah, he looks fly.
Yep.
You already look fly though, so that's
Thank
all
you,
good.
I appreciate it.
If there's one thing on your vision board, if everything else fails, what would that one thing be that you want to make sure that happens on that vision board?
Strong relationship with God. Like that's the one thing I've been doing is how can I grow my faith? Right? I have entrepreneurship, business. No, I want a stronger relationship in my faith, and so I'm going to put that all over my vision board, scriptures, different things, different signs, different things I need to do. So if all this fails, I know that my relationship with Jesus Christ was my strongest foundation. That's it. If I can do that in 2025, I still had a great year.
This is my moment, I'm gon' grasp it and hold it. I'm in my zone, they never breaking my focus. I am ready now.
You've done a vision board before, right?
Yeah, I have a couple already.
For somebody who's never done one before, why would you recommend for them to actually do it?
Man, I used to think vision boards, like, I don't know if this will make sense to some people or not, but for me, it was like, I felt like I was too cool for vision boards. I was like, well, I kind of think about it, I kind of already know what I want. But it's kind of like gravity. Gravity, you don't have to believe in it, but it's gonna work regardless. If you throw something up in the air, it's gonna come down. Whatever goes up must come down. You don't have to believe in that, but it's gonna happen. I think the same thing kind of applies to vision boards, where like you may feel like, oh, well, why would I do that? It don't really work. Well, it does work, but you don't have to believe in it or not, because it's still gonna do its thing. There's some couple of laws in the world that for whatever reason they just work the way they work. You can either choose to make them work in your favor or not in your favor. So by creating a vision board, you're telling the universe, these are the things I want, and these are the things I would desire one day to help me get them. But if you don't do that, you're not putting that out there, and then whatever you don't ask, closed mouths, mom used to tell me a long time ago, closed mouths don't get fed, so you gotta be able to open your mouth and tell the world what you want.
Point out 2 or 3 things that are important to you in this vision board, and tell me about them.
2 or 3 things that are important. This money part right here, being an investor, multiplying my money, working. Another part that is important to me is the getaways, little vacations to relax, and the classic cars. I love classic cars.
That's nice.
Yes. And then the engagement ring.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And exercise, fun exercise.
Yeah.
And yeah.
What is the one thing that you're going to do to stay focused on getting to these goals?
Just get down to business, quit fooling around. You know, I've been comfortable for a long time, so I need to be uncomfortable, and that's what I'm gonna have to do.
I have a saying that I always say. I say, you can't tell me the sky's the limit if there's footsteps on the moon.
Huge, I love it.
So,
yeah.
Think about it. Another one of my other favorite quotes is, money isn't everything, but it's right up there with oxygen. You breathe a lot easier.
Let's fast forward, 2025, December 2025. What are you gonna do every single time that you accomplish some of the goals that are in this vision board to celebrate?
What am I gonna do?
To celebrate every time you
celebrate
accomplish.
myself?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
perhaps I will give myself something that I've always wanted, like self-care or, you know, vacation.
Like a spa,
Yes.
vacation, okay. That sounds
Something
like
that makes
fun.
me feel that I accomplished what I put my intention to.
I'm in my zone, they never breaking my focus. I am ready now. This was separating all the greats from the greatest. This is dedication, this is hard work and patience. Blood, sweat, and tears mixed with raw determination.
So we started the day with what we call our pre-game, which is where we actually give a message of encouragement, message of challenging the team, you know, redirecting. Now today we get together and we bring some of those goals to life in pictorial form. We call it vision board. So next year we're going to be running a 1.5 million point based shop. It's in my vision board. I'm going to cross $1 million in income. It's in my vision board. We want to become a chairman council team. It's in my vision board. So when you have it and you place it there, your mind is going there every time. You'll see it every day. When you're going to bed, when you're waking up, in your subconsciousness it sits there so that you're able to manifest many of those things. I was just sharing with you, in my last year's vision board, I have a white Mercedes. I ended up buying a white Mercedes without even planning to buy a white Mercedes. If you don't have a place where you have such culture, reach out. Especially this period of the year is the time we want to reach out so that we begin the relationships. But we do build relationships that help us get to the next place. That's why we're called people helping people.